Ben was walking to school one morning when he saw his neighbor, Mrs. Rose, standing outside her house. She was carrying 2 heavy bags of groceries and looked very tired. Ben stopped and thought, "She looks like she needs help." But then he hesitated. Maybe she doesn't need me. Maybe I should just go to school. Then Ben remembered what his dad always said. Helping others is always a good thing. He smiled, walked to Mrs. Rose, and said, "Do you need some help, Mrs. Rose?" Mrs. Rose smiled back. "Oh, yes, please. These bags are very heavy." Ben took one bag and carefully helped her carry them to her door. When they finished, Mrs. Rose said, "Thank you so much, Ben. You are very kind." Ben felt happy. "It's okay. I like helping," he said. As Ben walked to school, he smiled and thought, "A little help really goes a long way. I feel great." Before we finish, let's answer some quick questions. Question 1. Who did Ben see on his way to school? A. His teacher. B. His neighbor, Mrs. Rose. C. His best friend. The correct answer is B. His neighbor, Mrs. Rose. Question 2. Why did Ben decide to help her? A. He wanted a reward. B. She asked for help. C. He remembered his dad's advice. The correct answer is C. He remembered his dad's advice. Question 3. How did Ben feel after helping her? A. Proud and happy. B. Angry. C. Nervous. The correct answer is A. Proud and happy. Remember, helping others shows how strong and kind you really are. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English stories and lessons. See you next time on SpeakMate.